If your Google business profile got suspended after fighting a fake review, you're locked out for weeks, and here's the 48-hour fix. Here's the problem. Google sees your dispute as the violation, not the review. Check your Google business email for a suspension notice within 24 hours of your last dispute action. Screenshot every review you disputed before Google removes access. You'll need proof for the next 7 days. A competitor leaves a fake 1-star review claiming you overcharged them. You dispute it through Google. Within 72 hours your entire profile vanishes. Your bookings drop 40% because customers can't find you on Maps. This happens because Google's automated systems flag aggressive dispute behavior as spam. You tried to protect your reputation and Google punished you for it. ReputationZilla was built to handle exactly this problem. We know which dispute tactics trigger suspensions and which ones get reviews removed without setting off alarms. Most people fail here because they keep disputing the same review multiple times. Google's system counts each dispute as a separate flag. After 3 disputes in 7 days on any single review, the algorithm assumes you're spamming the system. Your account gets auto-suspended. The review stays up. You lose access to your profile for 14 to 30 days while Google manually reviews your case. ReputationZilla files one perfect dispute with the exact policy language Google's reviewers need to see. Step 1 is to stop all dispute activity immediately. Do not file another appeal for 72 hours minimum. Google suspension queue processes in 3 to 5 business days. Any new activity resets the timer and adds another flag to your account. ReputationZilla pauses all client disputes during suspension windows to let the automated flags expire before we file the reinstatement request. Step 2 is to submit a reinstatement request through the Google Business Profile support form, not the in-app dispute button. This is important because the support form routes to human reviewers, the in-app button routes back to the same automated system that suspended you. In your reinstatement message, cite the specific review policy the fake review violated and include the review's exact text. ReputationZilla's reinstatement requests get approved in 48 to 96 hours because we include the policy section numbers Google's team actually checks. Here's the problem. If you ignore this and keep disputing through the app, Google extends your suspension by another 30 days automatically. We've seen businesses locked out for 90 days because they filed 6 disputes while already suspended. Every new dispute adds 14 days to your penalty window. Your competitors stay visible on Maps while you disappear. The average business loses $4,200 in revenue per month of suspension according to 2026 local SEO data. The advanced move is to use the exact wording that bypasses Google's keyword filters. When you file your reinstatement request, open with this phrase word for word: "My Google business profile was suspended on date following a review dispute." The review in question violates Google's policy on fake engagement, specifically Section 3.2 of the Maps User Contributed Content Policy. I am requesting reinstatement and removal of the policy violating review. Business name, your name. Business address, your address. Copy that template. Replace the bracketed parts. Submit it through the Google Business Profile help page, not the app. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla handle the entire reinstatement and review removal for you. We do this 40 times a week in 2026. My Google business profile was suspended on date following a review dispute. The review in question violates Google's policy on fake engagement, specifically Section 3.2 of the Maps User Contributed Content Policy. I am requesting reinstatement and removal of the policy violating review. Business name, your name. Business address, your address. Stop all dispute activity for 72 hours minimum. File reinstatement through the support form, not the app. Stop wasting weeks on suspensions. ReputationZilla handles it end-to-end, link in description. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete suspension recovery guide. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.